How to fix Instagram black screen. If any day you see the problem that your Instagram is showing a black screen whenever you are trying to launch your Instagram, just follow these steps. First of all, go to the settings on your device. After you go to the settings on your device, you will see an interface like this. After that, in the search section of the settings, search apps out there. And after you search apps out there, you will see the interface like this. However, the interface may vary as per the mobile device you are using. However, the different the mobile device is, the process is the same. And after you go to the app section out there, you will see the screen like this. And after you see the screen like this, you have to see the various types of list of the devices or applications that are on your mobile devices. And after you see the list of the various kind of the application on your mobile devices, now you have to go to the option of Instagram. So you can go to the option of Instagram either by scrolling down, which is I think a longer option. Otherwise, you can go to the search section and you can see Instagram out there. And when you go and search Instagram out there, tap on Instagram. And when you tap on the Instagram, you will see a screen like this. Now you have to scroll down until you find the option of storage. And after you find the option of storage, now you have to check whether there is any cache or not. And if there is any cache on your very Instagram, you have to clear it. And after clearing down all the cache, you have to go back. And after going back, you have to go and check the notification section. And you have to check whether the notification has been allowed or not. You have to check whether allow notification has been done or not, and whether allow sounds and vibration has been done or not. Again, you have to go back and you have to go to the section of the permissions. And after you go to the section of permission, you have to check whether camera has been allowed or not, contacts has been allowed or not, location has been allowed or not, microphone, notification, and all of this. And after you check all of these, now your problem has been solved. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.